Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games with Steam Link. First, make sure your gaming personal computer has Steam running and is connected to your home network. Next, plug in your Steam Link device to your television and power it up. You will then need to pair your preferred controller, mouse, or keyboard. Finally, follow the simple on-screen prompts to establish a connection with your host personal computer, usually taking less than 1 minute. For the smoothest gaming experience, a stable network connection is key. We highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection between your Steam Link and your router for optimal performance. If wireless is your only option, ensure you are using a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Also, try to minimize other network activity like large downloads. You can fine-tune streaming quality settings directly within the Steam Link interface to find your perfect balance. Once connected, you can effortlessly browse your entire Steam library right from your television. Simply select any game installed on your host personal computer and launch it to begin playing. The Steam Link automatically uses Big Picture mode, which is perfectly optimized for a television viewing experience. A fantastic feature allows you to invite friends to join your local multiplayer games remotely, extending your gaming circle beyond your living room. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your personal computer and Steam Link often resolves many problems. Always ensure your firewall settings permit Steam to communicate freely across your network. Keeping your graphics drivers on your host personal computer updated is crucial for optimal performance. Don't hesitate to experiment with the various streaming quality settings within Steam Link to find what works best for your unique home network setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.